Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about one of the techniques which is given by F.w. Taylor, which talks about one best method of doing the job. Yes, we are talking about method study. Method study is concerned with finding one best method or one best way of doing the job. Do you know that Taylor introduced the concept of assembly line? And this assembly line concept is used by automobile industry in deciding the sequence of operations, place for men, machines and raw materials, etc. Method study is used to reduce the cost of production. See, we already know that the techniques which are given by F.w. Taylor focuses on the production department. It focuses on the lower level management and the workers. So whenever we talk about production, we try to find out the best possible way in which the cost can be reduced, right? So all the techniques ultimately aim at reducing the cost and increasing the turnover. Okay, so this method study also aims at reducing the cost of production. How is the cost of production reduced? Obviously, if you are finding the best method, that best method would aim at producing in such a way that the costs are reduced and the quality output is produced. It would lead to customer satisfaction also. For finding one best method, critical analysis is done for plant layout, material handling, work processes and product design. Now, what is product design? The design of the product. What should be the design in order to reduce the cost? Okay. Plant layout means the sequence of operations, how men and machines should be placed in order to achieve reduced cost. Okay, so everything has to be critically analyzed in order to find out one best method. For example, raw materials should be placed near the place of production so as to avoid any wastage of time and money in transporting the goods to the place of production. This way the cost is reduced, and this is also the part of one best method. So method study aims at improving the quality of the output with reduced cost and higher customer satisfaction.
So the objective of method study is to find out one best way of doing the job which would result in minimizing the cost of production and maximizing the quality and customer satisfaction. Now there are various methods of doing the job, but to determine the best way there are several parameters. Right from procurement of raw materials till the final product is delivered to the customer, every activity is a part of method study. So for that purpose, Taylor has devised the concept of assembly line, and Ford Motor is using this concept very successfully. Not only Ford Motors but also all other automobile companies are using this assembly line concept so as to get the best method of doing the job. For designing a car, the assembly line production would entail deciding the sequence of operations, place for men, machines and raw materials. All this is a part of method study. Therefore, method study is one of the most important techniques which are used by automobile industries and all other industries for getting one best way of doing the job.